Hi guys, this is Allie with Allie Nicole Bibliophiles, and today I have two unboxings for you. I haven't opened either of these yet, so I'm really excited. The first box is from Too Much Monday. This is a book subscription box, and I have received 2 boxes from them before, and I loved both of them. So since I started my channel, I wanted to show you guys the awesome contents that come in this box, and as well as the Book of the Month Club, which I have never gotten before. So this is my box from Book of the Month. I have not opened either of them. I'm super excited. Let's start with the Book of the Month. I'm destroying this box. It's destroyed. So all that comes in the box is the book, and it looks like a bookmark. And I believe I picked this book out. I can't remember what I chose, but they gave me a couple different options. I think they all looked really good. So I haven't heard of this author before. So let's dig in. So it comes like this. I just peeled the plastic off. So it is a cute bookmark. It says Book of the Month, and it's got some colors on the back. Really pretty. I will definitely use that. So the book that I received is Bonfire by Kristen Ritter. And I think something that's really cool about the Book of the Month is, to my knowledge, all of the covers are exclusive to the Book of the Month Club, and they have the mark up here for the Book of the Month logo. And then on the back, it says, I Heart Book of the Month. And I believe they're also all new releases. For some reason I was thinking that they came marked or with a quote from the author or something, but maybe not. Maybe I'm thinking of a different subscription box. I think this is a thriller. Kristen Ritter is a great actress, so I'm really excited. There's a picture of her there. So I'm really not sure what this is about. I typically don't like to read the synopsis of thrillers because I like to be surprised and thrilled. Duh. So this looks really nice. The cover is beautiful. There's some really deep oranges and reds in there. Hopefully the camera picks that up well. So I'm really excited to get to this one. I'm still in that thriller phase. I haven't outgrown it yet because I didn't read too many. I tend to get really burnt out if I read the same genre for a long amount of time. So really excited to get to this, and I will have this in my end of November book hauls if I have one of those. I did a haul at the beginning of the month from October, November, and I wasn't planning on buying any other books after that haul because it was ridiculous. So, but I do have a couple here that I got in the mail that came after I filmed that video, so we shall see. Don't know yet. And then the one I'm really excited for, this is Too Much Monday. I love Too Much Monday. And this video is not sponsored by Book of the Month or Too Much Monday, but I highly recommend them both. So I'm super excited to see what they sent me in their November box. And I love the packaging. I think it's super cute. Oh. I need to learn how to do that whole blurring thing. And of course, I didn't rip these before I cut this with. Got it! Ah! Okay, I'll let you guys see first. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is some kettle popcorn from Popcornopolis. Sweet and salty gourmet popcorn. Yum! I'm gonna have to hide this from my kids because they will try to eat this. Certified gluten-free. Comes in a little cute bag. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing here is some, let's see, I'm guessing some fuzzy socks, and it looks like a couple bangles with the little crinkly guys all over. Let me get all these little things off. Okay. Yep, so some green bangles. They're not really my style. They're kind of cute. I don't know. I don't know if I'd wear those. Definitely will wear these. Some plain blue fuzzy socks. No tag or anything. Something about Too Much Monday is a lot of times I've noticed they have either their own branding on stuff, so I don't know if they make things in-house. I don't know. Okay. Oh, that's the spoiler card and I'm not looking at it. I love that they always send you tea, like their own house blends of tea. So I'm guessing that's what's in here. And it smells very cinnamony. So let's see. 2 bags of tea. Carrot cake rooibos tea. Oh, this sounds good. See, so it's their own, like, brand. Sorry, my nails look terrible. I need to get them redone. So I will definitely be... I'll probably make this tonight, actually, because I have a tea addiction. Okay. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Here's the bookmark, and they always have the cutest bookmarks. This one just has leaves on it, nothing on the back. And then the book. Ooh, this sounds good. That's all that's in here. It's called The Two-Family House. Interesting. I think this is another thriller, actually. One of the quotes on the back from Caroline Levitt from New York Times says, "An exquisitely written novel of love, alliances, the messiness of life, and long-buried secrets." Ooh. So this is by Linda Cohen Loigman? Not really sure how to pronounce that. Is this a new release? Let's see. So it's a 2016 released book. So that is it for both boxes. Honestly, not my favorite Too Much Monday box. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly. I'm excited about the popcorn. The first month, though, I got this Woodwick soy candle that I loved. And last month, I got a really cute mug. So the socks and the bangles aren't really doing it for me. I did actually cancel this last month just because Christmas is coming up, so I'm going to be saving my typical book budget that's for myself, and that's going to be put towards Christmas for my kids and stuff. So I did cancel it for now. Yeah, I'm kind of bummed about this. Not my favorite. But the kettle corn and the tea, total win. Total win. And so these are the 2 books that I have added to my collection from these boxes. And I'm excited to get to both of them. They both sound like really good wintry reads. This one definitely sounds like something that would be good for winter time. I'll probably read this one first, to be honest, because I'm really wanting another gripping novel. So I will let you guys know once I get that read what my review is for it. And so I'm not sure. Oh, this is the Goodreads Choice of 2016 nominee. So it must have some good reviews, this Two-Family House. I'll have to look it up because I haven't heard of either of these. So, which I have already said because I'm Captain Repeat today. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. My next video is gonna be a tag, so I'm really excited to share that with you. And I have to go cook dinner and spend some time with my kids and watch some more Sons of Anarchy. I'm sure that's a total surprise. So I will talk to y'all later. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and a thumbs up on this video. It really helps me out. Love you guys. Bye!